Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to save files to USB drive 2025. Open the File Explorer and go to the USB. Then you can directly drag the item into the Explorer to see that it is copied. Additionally, if you are in a file, you can go to the File menu and then choose Save As. Click on Browse and navigate to the USB drive. Assign the name and click Save. You can check that the file has been copied. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.